So, example 2, they say 6, 2x plus 1, and 3x minus 3 are the first three terms of the linear pattern. Meaning, which, okay, this one is term number 1. This one is term number 2. No? And then this one here is going to be what? Term number 3. Now, from what you've been doing all along, you've been saying to us, okay, but now if it's a linear pattern, here's what we do. It has a first common difference. Now, when I say it has a first common difference, what do I mean by that? I mean, if I can subtract term number 2 minus term number 1, this is going to give me D. Okay? Now, what else will give me D? If I can't get D this way, I can also get it this way because I'm given the first three terms. I can say to them, okay, but now term number 3 minus term number 2, this is also going to give me what? D. I will still find it. Okay, let me find D for this one here. I know what's term number 2. What is term number 2? Term number 2 is given as what then?
2x plus 1.
Okay, let me write that. I will tell them, okay, but term number 2 is given as 2x plus 1. This minus open bracket, I'm going to put term number 1. What is term number 1? It's 6, which is going to be equal to what? To D, which is the common difference.
Oh.
And then if I can simplify this, let me check if I have any like terms there. So I have 2x, and then if I say plus 1, negative multiplied by positive, what am I going to get there? So I'm going to get minus 6, which is going to be equal to what? To D. This is the common difference. Now, for those who are using the other formula, the formula Tn is going to be equal to B n plus C. This people they will say this is B. Instead of saying this is D, they will say this is B. Doesn't matter.
Oh, B.
So let's be consistent. For those who are using that formula that says Tn is equal to, then they can say if B, this is B, this is also going to be equal to what? To B. And then this is B, and then this is also B. For those who are using this formula that says Tn is going to be equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, they will say this thing is T. So it's up to you which one are you using. Now, because today seemingly we've been using the one yellow B, let's continue with it. Because we've been using the one yellow B, let's call it B. Now, if we're going to be using B, then it says which we are going to have 2x plus 1 minus 6. This one and this one, they are like terms. Okay? So what is 1 minus 6?
Minus 5.
So this is going to give us 2x minus 5. It's equal to B. Okay? Okay, I'm done with the first B. Let me get this other B. What is going to be this other B? It says which I am going to have term number 2. What is term number 3? It's 3x minus 3. Okay? Minus open bracket. What is term number 2? 2x plus 1. Okay? This is going to be equal to what? To B. And then we're going to have 3x minus 3. And then we have this one multiplied by this one. What do we get? Minus 2x. And then this one multiplied by this one, minus 1. And then guys, you can see every time when I put a subtraction, I put it inside the bracket again. Because learners tend to make a mistake to say if there are two terms, they multiply only one term. So put it inside the bracket. And then this one and this one carry the like terms. Okay? What is 3x minus 2x? X. This one, subtract this one, you get what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. This is equal to what? To
B.
But now there's something also which is important here. I get this one is B. And then what is this?
B.
Deductive reasoning. Okay?
Yes.
This is equal to B, and this one is also equal to what? To B. Can't we equate these two because both of them are equal to B? We can. Okay? So I might as well say something like this. I can say 4x minus 4 is going to be equal to. Let me write this one with a different color so that you'll remember. So this is going to be 2x minus 5. We still fine, okay? Now we want to solve for x here. We want to solve for x here. How would you solve for x? You can take this one to the other side.
X to the other side.
If you take x to this, oh, you want me to take x to this other side?
Yes.
Okay, if you take x to this other side, it's positive. Okay? When it gets this side, it's going to become 1 thing. So what are we going to have? We're going to have 2x minus x. And then I should take this one to this other side. If I take this one to this other side, it says which will be
minus 4 plus 5.
5 is positive, okay?
Oh,
So we're going to have 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, what do you get? 1. 2 minus x, 2x minus x. And then it means our x is going to be equal to what? 2, 1. And then that's how we get our 3 marks. I think it's 3 marks. Huh?
no math allocation.
Yeah, it's 3 marks, this thing. Now, where are you going to get your marks, guys? Where are you going to get your marks? You're going to get your marks for getting the difference, equating the difference, and then for the final answer, then you get your 3 marks.